A dining table is much more than a place to enjoy meals. It serves as a gathering point for family conversations, casual work sessions, and everyday moments that bring a home to life. However, in compact apartments and small houses, finding the right dining table can be challenging. Limited floor space requires careful planning, and oversized furniture can quickly make an area feel crowded and uncomfortable. This is where minimalist design becomes especially valuable. By focusing on simplicity, functionality, and efficient use of space, minimalist dining tables offer practical solutions without sacrificing style. With the right choice, even the smallest dining area can become a welcoming and elegant part of the home. Why minimalist dining tables work well in small homes. Minimalist furniture is designed with purpose in mind. Rather than emphasizing elaborate details or bulky construction, minimalist dining tables focus on clean lines, practical dimensions, and visual lightness. For compact homes, this approach offers several advantages. Smaller footprints allow more freedom of movement, while simple designs help maintain an open and uncluttered atmosphere. Minimalist tables also tend to blend seamlessly with a variety of interior styles, making them highly versatile. Most importantly, they support the idea that a small space can still feel comfortable, functional, and sophisticated. Round dining tables for better flow. Round dining tables are among the most effective choices for compact homes. Unlike rectangular tables with sharp corners, round designs promote smoother movement throughout the room. The absence of corners reduces visual heaviness and makes navigating tight spaces easier. Round tables also encourage conversation because everyone sits at an equal distance from one another. A small round dining table paired with minimalist chairs can comfortably accommodate daily meals while maintaining an airy appearance. For studio apartments and open-concept layouts, round tables often create a softer and more balanced visual effect. Slim rectangular tables for narrow spaces. Not every home has room for a circular dining arrangement. In narrow apartments or homes with limited wall space, a slim rectangular table may be the better option. Minimalist rectangular tables feature clean edges and simple profiles that fit neatly against walls or within compact dining areas. Their shape makes efficient use of available space while still providing sufficient surface area for meals and activities. Choosing a table with slender legs rather than bulky supports further enhances the sense of openness. This practical design works especially well in homes where every square foot matters. Extendable tables for flexible living. One of the smartest investments for a compact home is an extendable dining table. These versatile tables remain compact during everyday use, but can expand when guests visit or additional workspace is needed. This flexibility allows homeowners to enjoy the benefits of a larger dining table without permanently sacrificing valuable floor space. Modern minimalist extendable tables often feature seamless extension mechanisms that preserve their clean appearance even when fully expanded. For households that occasionally entertain friends or family, this solution provides the perfect balance between practicality and efficiency. Wall-mounted folding tables. For extremely small apartments, wall-mounted folding tables offer an innovative space-saving option. When not in use, the table folds flat against the wall, freeing up valuable floor space for other activities. During mealtimes, it can be unfolded to create a functional dining area. Many contemporary designs incorporate shelves or storage compartments, further increasing functionality. This type of table is ideal for studio apartments, micro-apartments, or multi-purpose rooms where flexibility is essential. Choosing the right materials. Material selection significantly influences both the appearance and functionality of a dining table. Light wood finishes remain popular in minimalist interiors because they introduce warmth without making the room feel heavy. Oak, ash, and birch are particularly effective choices for creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. Glass tablecops offer another excellent option for compact homes. Their transparency allows light to pass through, helping the room appear larger and less crowded. Metal frames can add a modern touch while maintaining durability and visual simplicity. The best material depends on your personal style, but all should contribute to a clean and uncluttered aesthetic. Pairing tables with space-saving seating. The dining table itself is only part of the equation. Seating choices play an equally important role in maximizing space. Minimalist dining chairs with slim profiles help maintain visual openness. Chairs that can slide completely beneath the table when not in use are especially beneficial in compact homes. Benches offer another practical solution. A bench can often accommodate more people than individual chairs while occupying less space overall. Some benches even include hidden storage compartments, providing additional functionality without increasing clutter. Selecting the right seating ensures the entire dining area remains efficient and comfortable. Embracing neutral colors. Minimalist interiors often rely on neutral color palettes to create a sense of calm and spaciousness. Dining tables in natural wood tones, white finishes, soft gray shades, or muted earth colors blend effortlessly into compact interiors. These tones reflect light effectively and help maintain visual continuity throughout the home. A consistent color palette also prevents the dining area from feeling disconnected from adjacent living spaces. Small accents in black or darker wood can provide contrast while preserving the clean and balanced appearance of the room, keeping the dining area clutter-free. Even the most beautiful dining table can lose its appeal if surrounded by clutter. Avoid using the table as a permanent storage surface for mail, electronics, paperwork, or miscellaneous household items. Maintaining a clear tabletop enhances both functionality and aesthetics. A simple centerpiece, such as a ceramic vase, a bowl of fresh fruit, or a small plant, is often sufficient to add character without overwhelming the space. Minimalist design thrives on simplicity, and a clutter-free dining area instantly feels more inviting, creating a dining space that enhances everyday living. A thoughtfully chosen dining table can dramatically improve the comfort and functionality of a compact home. By prioritizing clean design, efficient proportions, and versatile features, homeowners can create dining areas that feel spacious despite limited square footage. Whether you choose a round table for improved flow, an extendable model for flexibility, or a wall-mounted design for maximum efficiency, the key is selecting a solution that aligns with your lifestyle and available space. Ultimately, minimalist dining tables demonstrate that small homes do not require compromise. With careful planning and intentional design choices, even the most compact dining area can become a stylish, practical, and welcoming space that supports daily living while reflecting the beauty of simplicity.